Hey guys, it's Patty with Little Red Southern Kitchen. I hope everybody's doing good today. It's the first day of December, Christmas time is coming. We've got our outside stuff done. I'll be showing a video of that soon. We're working on the inside right now. Today we are going to be doing crispy Italian onion baked chicken. I put a little twist on the French fried onion chicken, and what I did was I've got 2 chicken breasts that I marinated in Italian dressing. Now, whenever I do the marinade, I stick little holes with a fork into the chicken because I want that flavor to go through it. And this has been marinating all day. Alright, and all you're going to need is some flour and a bag of crispy onions. Now what I'm going to do here, I started chunking them up already. Preheat your oven to 350. And what I've done is I've got a stand that I put oil on and I sprayed it with cooking spray. Now you're going to take a couple of tablespoons of flour. Mix it up a little bit. Get the air out. And while I'm doing this, I want to thank you for joining me. I do a lot of cooking videos, especially Southern cooking is my specialty. And I like my videos to be seen, and I think the instructions are clear for any level of cooking. So, if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button because I'd love to have you in the family. Also, if you like what I'm doing here, give me a big thumbs up. Help my channel grow a little bit and help me out a little bit. I really appreciate it. Alright, let's see how this is doing. Oh yeah. Now, if you don't want the Italian dressing, all you need to do is do an egg wash and put dip the chicken in it and then dip it in here. What I'm going to do, since these are wet from the Italian dressing, I'm going to pick these out and put them in here and coat them. These are ginormous. I think me and Tony could eat one and be full. I decided to put a little twist on this today because I love the Italian chicken. Let me toss this. Tony's been working hard, like I said, getting our Christmas decorations up. Y'all know he gets into Halloween and Christmas, and we have what's called an orchestra of lights that plays music. What's really going to bum me out, though, whenever I do the video, I've got to do it silently because of copyright. I can't play the music. Unless, I'll have to check it out and see what I can play. Because these things are ginormous. I'm going to press some of this in. And like I said, preheat your oven to 350. And it's probably going to cook 40 to 50 minutes. But what you're wanting to do is have an internal temperature of 165, which I'll check. Alright, I'm going to stick these in the oven and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. This actually took about an hour because they were so big and I just burnt my finger. So it's time to eat. I did reach 165 internal temp. I did not want to take it out until it got there. Got a little brown around the edges. But with this tonight, we're having some Italian green beans that I cooked with some fatback. Give it a good country flavor. Now, when you use fatback, you don't want to add any salt to it till you taste it. And here we got some leftover sweet potato casserole from Thanksgiving. When I heated it up, though, all the marshmallows melted. So, here you go. Supper is ready. I want to thank y'all for joining me. Like I said, if you're new here, look around. I think you'll like what you see. Hit that subscribe button. If you like this, give me a big thumbs up. And share it out on your social media. Let me know anything you'd like to watch, cooked or something. In the comments, always leave me a comment. I do read every one. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great evening. Supper's ready. Bye-bye.